Naveen. So we will do. No, I'm just trying to.
Who's that? Naveen on live?
Naveen is gone off. Naveen has finished live.
Rajan,
So guys, we are sitting with this amazing team. So now we will do a. Since the question and answers were so interesting, so Amyani asked some great question and answers to our director.
Are you live?
Yeah, we are live.
Okay.
So, okay, you can ask him the same questions again from the back. But, 8-second volume. So, okay, guys, this is our director, Bhanumati Ramakrishna. That's Yash, our producer. That's Harsha Chemru. Guys, his Instagram account is hacked, so that's why he's not posting. So, please get Instagram for public demand to kind of get his account active again. So are you happy with the response? How does it feel getting the response that you are for the film? It's your first film.
I'm not informed yet about the response properly.
Yes.
So I don't have first-hand information. So I'm mostly relying on my team to give me information.
Yeah.
Where is the Ramakrishna going?
So Ramakrishna, where are you going?
I'm going back home.
To Tenali? Yeah.
I'm going back home, Tenali.
Tenali. Ramakrishna, you learned very good English in few days.
Yes, madam. All because of you, madam, and the director, madam.
Director speaks very good
And the
English.
review writers also, madam. They wrote very good English lines, madam. I heart happy.
Oh, so sweet. Harsha, do you want to add something or take away something?
I'm gonna take away all his patience from
Who's-
Ramakrishna.
Oh yeah.
You really mean it?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay, you have a everything there going on live. You can't fool around.
So Ramakrishna is packing his bags to go to Tenali. And that is how we do social distancing. Namaskaram. See you. Bunty.
Yes.
What is this, Bunty? Bye.
I'm just
See
trying
you,
to contact
Ramakrishna.
Instagram
See you
guys.
tomorrow in office. See, this is how we do our interviews. We keep sanitizing, giving. So the one of the main questions that's being asked again and again on every review and everything. Why is the film only 92 minutes? So, and that comes in the negative.
See, whenever I read reviews, most of the reviews, the critics complain about the length. So I want to keep it very tight and foolproof. So I never thought it'll backlash. It'll.
But isn't that something so nice when people say that we want to see more? 92 minutes is like it's actually like a positive review when they say that it's so
Yeah,
short.
I have come across a couple of reviews. It says, and a minus point, it says the run time.
Yeah.
And they mentioned they want to see more of Ramakrishna and Bhanumati, and I don't know whether it's to take it as a compliment or a complaint. So I'm just reading the headers and it feels good for now.
So was making a film like this, it's very refreshing to see it's clean on content. It doesn't have any abusive language, and at the same time, it's a very feel-good family film. So was it intentional, or was it something that flew while writing?
No, that was an approach. I mean, when we decided to make this film, that was an approach when especially the protagonist, when my story is being narrated from Banu's point of view, so that I didn't have to indulge in anything that is not so pleasant. Pleasant in the sense, whether you say language or news, whatever.
So we've heard that Bunty, don't you agree that he's a tyrant on set? What do you have to say about that?
I know I'm with you on that. Yeah.
So were you personally victimized?
Yes, a lot of times, not.
And harassed?
In a good way.
In a good way.
He's playing safe.
He's playing safe.
If you're not in the camera, I'll give you another version for sure.
Because they're going back home together. So they...
Yeah. I'm afraid he'll He's going to leave me in the middle of nowhere.
And now there are no autos and there are no cars.
cabs, nothing.
But I hate going with him in the car because he's always on this phone.
Why?
He's a social
You're still
media,
complaining about
social
me being
media
on the
buff.
phone?
He's
Even
always-
after my Instagram account is hacked, he's complaining
So
about
he's
me
fish
being-
out of
Not
water,
now.
guys.
Otherwise, also hang out with him a lot.
Yeah.
So he's always on his phone, and dude is just irritates man. He's always on the
What are you doing now? The fans just tuned in just to watch Viva
I'm just
Harsha.
saying thanks to all my pan-India fans in all the languages. So I just took so much time, trying to figure out.
That's so
to get
cool.
that, yeah.
But he's also dishonoring the live
So
audience.
are we getting any questions, or we just going tomorrow?
Yeah, sorry, we're getting questions.
Chumma
which
going
I-
live.
So yes, there are questions for one person saying watched your movie, loved it. Director's done a superb job. Thanks. And then Ganesh says which Bollywood movies has stood out for you, director? Is there any movie which you liked in the recent past or ever?
This is not my personal interview, right?
I mean, we are just talking. No, it is a question that being asked on the live.
Okay. I really like Dangal.
Okay.
Dangal is one film which really, had a major impact on me for the nature of, for the kind of film it is.
I'll go drop Naveen.
Great.
He'll probably leave from there.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. See you.
Bye.
Amazing. Thank
See you.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Harsha, for
much.
coming again. on that
Anytime.
short
No,
notice,
no,
every
no,
time.
See you guys. See you tomorrow.
Back to party.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you, Harsha.
No problem, see ya.
So any other questions? Yeah.
Yes, so they've watched the movie and they're saying amazing movie, loved watching it with our family. So any plans for extending this movie to BMRK2? Arun Tamirad is asking.
I still don't know what is Bhanumati and Ramakrishna is doing right now.
Yeah.
I'm more eager to know what is it doing, how is it doing, how
Yeah.
many people are watching it, how people are finding it. So let's talk about Bhanumati and Ramakrishna for now.
So there's Rohit Rajashekhar who's asking that are you nervous or are you excited or you don't know?
I don't know.
He only gave all three options.
I really like him. What's the name? What's his name?
Rohit Rajashekhar.
Rohit Rajshekhar. I think you get me right. I don't know.
And then, oh wow, one is saying that we saw your movie yesterday at 12 o'clock and so happy to read all the reviews. So, did you plan to have this movie on AHA or did you wanted to release it in theatre? That's what it says by Meena Kumar.
No, we always aim for a OTT release, and in that process, we happened to meet AHA, and yeah, from there things worked out and signed leads on AHA streaming.
So was Bunty an organic choice or a forced choice?
Forcefully organic.
Yeah, I think it's right, forcefully organic.
You get the mood. I think you sit inside his head. You know exactly what he's thinking, is it?
Yeah.
So-
we should ask him what is his experience in that, how while working in Bangladesh.
While working, I was having fun. We did not rehearse or read dialogues as such. We came to the sets, we discussed, we bounced off. He'd come and ask, what would you do if you came across a situation like this? If you really met people like these two in a premise like this, then he would come up with conversations. That's
Yeah.
what they're really shining out in the film.
Yeah.
People are really liking the conversations.
And your acting is also being appreciated a lot. Your
Thank
performance.
you so much. That's so sweet of you, Salwani. Some people find it hard to accept.
Yeah, the director is like सबकी इतनी तारीफ हो रही है मेरी भी हो रही है तो मैंने इनसे अच्छा काम करवा लिया है वैसे
नहीं, सब
बात
सारा
तो काम हो गया.
नहीं, आप सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
Now they're
इसलिए
looking
मेरा-
for paid promotion.
This is not a paid promotion. This is an in-house
Disclaimer,
promotion. Disclaimer. So, Harsha, we heard your Instagram account is hacked. So, are you
Yes.
like fish out of water or you're enjoying this Insta
I'm
break?
fish out of water in a desert.
What does that mean? Fish out of water in a desert?
Fish out of water मतलब कुछ possibility है पानी फिर मिलने का.
Oh,
Desert में तो नहीं मिलेगा ना.
correct. See, so much brains I don't have, so I needed him to make it like less complicated for me to understand. So, They are saying that, okay, so they're like, after this lockdown, this film, at least we don't have cricket, but we have Bhanumati Ramakrishna. Isn't that like great?
Yeah.
Isn't it like,
there.
yeah. So, one question is by Siraj Huda, who has joined in. He is asking, what made you handpick this good-looking team?
Arey, nice.
Siraj Huda.
Last question for me.
Are you talking about the director or the cast? Please clarify.
I think producer is a good-looking guy.
Yes, and like that,
Like
everything
that.
fell in place.
Yeah, I think everything fell in place. I think he's the first guy who initiates everything. Nothing is in our control actually. Within the team also, PR of our team, Yash handles.
Oh yeah, he's our party manager,
Party
That
manager,
goes without
PR,
saying, yeah.
Party manager,
it's
PR,
covered. It's covered.
set
Yeah.
manager,
Everything. It's all
food
in all.
manager,
All in one, in all.
and personal life crisis manager.
Shoulder giver.
Shoulder giver. Shoulder giver. So वैसे our Naveen Chandra is also quite a shoulder giver, but he's not.
He has to just lend his shoulder to somebody else.
Yeah.
Naveen
So
Chandra Naveen is like he'll give one shoulder to both shoulders to different people. No, two shoulders to one people. Yashwantan will give two shoulders to two different people.
yeah, correct.
He wants to, cater everybody.
Yeah. And what about you?
Me,
Yeah.
I'm trying to make my shoulders.
Oh.
He's asking questions if you are in live.
Oh yeah.
People are in live, we can't just talk.
So
We are blathering among us.
we are blabbering because also there.
We're like this only most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a question for me. Do you find similarities between Bhanu and Saloni? Yes, lots of similarities between Bhanu, 80% similarities, and that's why I connected to the role. So Praneet Madali is saying, Shrikant Nagoti, you rock. Director is a genius. Wow, 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 wow. Why couldn't you make it 2 hours? All these list of questions are there for the director. And then one for Harsha. The attitude in the movie is top notch. And okay, guys, I think we have to start working now. We've done enough of the live. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we will have one takeaway note from the director and our star Bunty, and then we will go off live. So do you want to leave them with any note, guys, both of you?
Please do watch Bhanumati and Ramakrishna and let us know how you feel.
And it's available on AHA with subtitles. So all the people who
Yeah,
are
it's
not
available
tuning
on
in.
AHA with subtitles. So
And they were really working hard for the subtitles.
yeah, please make the subtitles count.
yeah. Make it matter. Yeah.
Make it matter.
Yeah. और इन दोनों को हिंदी बहुत अच्छी तरह आती है. एक एक लाइन हिंदी में भी बोल दो हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए.
अब ये आपको बिंज वॉच करना नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि बस 1-2 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगा. Just get a tub of popcorn, sit back and relax this weekend with Bhanumati and Ramakrishna.
And your takeaway line in the teaser with chocolate ice cream and chocolate chips.
One chocolate milkshake with extra chocolate chips, extra chocolate sauce and extra chocolate ice cream.
Whoa.
Sorry sir, chocolate ले दो.
That's a chocolate boy.
Go on.
Anything else you want to leave director साहब? कुछ नोट बोलना चाहेंगे आप हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए?
अच्छा, okay. This is हिंदी में.
हिंदी में.
This for outside AP and Telangana audience.
हाँ जी, भारत के लिए. भारत के
सारी
लिए.
भारत के लिए.
सारी भारत के लिए.
दुनिया के लिए दे देता हूँ एक मैसेज
हाँ.
जो भी हिंदी समझ आती है जिनको भी.
सारों
भानुमति एंड रामकृष्ण फिल्म सबटाइटल्स के साथ अवेलेबल है आप में. जरूर देखिएगा और लेट मी नो हाउ यू फील एंड दैट्स इट.
And one last takeaway line in Telugu.
तेलुगु हैप्पीनेस అంటే అందరికీ ఒకటే
My favorite line. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. And oh, you already there is Ganesh Kharat who's saying, can I finance your next movie? You already have producer. Oh, producer is not there, so you have all the chances.
My producer is yet to pay me. Is yet to clear my bill.
My producer promised me a bike.
अरे अभी बहुत मुश्किल से प्रोड्यूसर मिला है. गणेश करत बोला कैन आई फाइनेंस योर नेक्स्ट मूवी. Okay, guys. So signing off from this beautiful team.
Bye guys.
Bye guys, see you.
Thank you. Watch, tune in, and send us your reviews. Okay. Bye. See you.